Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I wanted to show you how you can enable or disable your developer options in your settings menu. This will be the same for phones, tablets, whatever it is, it has to be Android. Okay, so let's go into our setting menu and go all the way down to where it says About Phone, and then we're going to find the build number in here. Okay, we're going to start tapping on it about 7 times until it says you're now a developer. Okay, now if we go back, we see our developer options now become available to us. And here we have all kinds of different cool options that we can enable or disable. Okay, for instance, we have the stay awake, which I like to keep on. It keeps my phone on while it's charging, so it doesn't go to sleep. USB debugging, I use that for work. And then if you want to have like a little input right there, the dot on the screen that shows where you're touching, you can just enable this input show touches. And then, for instance, if you use some automation scripts and you want to know like where they're clicking or where they're swiping to and from, so you can enable this pointer location. And basically what that's going to do is if your script is swiping somewhere, it's going to leave that line right there on the screen and you know where it went, like where it started and where it ended. Also, if you check that little line at the top of the screen right there, it shows the X and Y coordinates. Basically also very useful for uh, using automation, because you know if you're tapping here, then you can pass those coordinates to your screen to tap at the exactly same location. Alright, so enough of that. I'm gonna just disable that. So let me show you now how you can disable this developer options. If you go back to the settings, we're gonna go back to, or not back, we're gonna go up to where it says apps. Okay, we're gonna go in the apps, and then we're gonna look for settings in here, and basically we will want to clear data for the settings. Okay, if you are on an earlier version than Android 6, you're gonna have a button right on this screen that says clear data. Just push it, push OK, but I have it buried in the storage, so I'm gonna go here, clear data, and now if I go back to the settings and go all the way down to the end of my menu, I no longer have my developer options. But you can still see my pointer, right? Which by default should be disabled. So if my developer options are disabled, this thing should be disabled as well. So basically what we did right now, we just hit the menu, okay? But the options is still enabled that you enabled. Let me just prove that to you. Okay, we're gonna enable the options again and go back in here, and you can see that they're enabled. If you want to completely disable them, okay, and completely hide the menu, so you have to then click this on switch, okay, to disable them, and then go back to the apps and hide the menu, and that will completely revert the state of developer options to the way it was originally. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.